Hey, what's going on? Uh,
Hello.
we're just getting back in. We are, oh, while we were away, I went and did a bunch of stuff. I also went to work and left my PC on. So, like, over here, we went ahead and got, like, 417 ores of cooking. So we got plenty of stuff to make while we're in here. Um, but I need, I think it's high quality animal oil. Let me see. I think that's in other stuff. Sure isn't. Animal stuff.
Can
Sure
I ask
isn't.
you a question?
What is your question?
What is that?
What is what?
Over.
Hmm.
What is this?
Oh, that's the I don't know, the fins of the uh
Oh, it's the water thing.
yeah, the water dragon. The Dragonite. But not a
Bingo.
Dragonite, because this isn't Pokemon. Not a Dragonite.
Not a dragonite.
Um,
Okay.
alright. So we've got 7,898 stone, 16,000 wood, and 500 ingots just ready for us. So make whatever you need to make. But we have to go get. I think it's. I said it already. High quality animal oil. It's over here.
Animal oil?
Yeah, high quality cow oil.
Like killing the
I think
cows
it's.
and
Yeah.
taking their oils?
Basically, like we gotta kill owls. Kill owls. Don't have to kill owls. Oh, also I made an alarm bell because these guys start freaking out sometimes, and like they just think they're attacking stuff, but they're not. So they just stop working and just keep not attacking things. But yeah, that's what that bell over there does. You can't see which way.
I see it.
Yep, there's a bell over there. So if you ever come back to the base and you're just like not attacking things but still trying to attack things, just change that bell setting. So yeah, today I'm killing things. I don't know what you're doing. Probably gonna go be a weirdo, but
Nuh-uh.
yeah.
I'm gonna also go kill things and get their oils.
Oh yeah, so you're coming
Their
with me?
sweet, sweet oils.
All right,
You got
I'm all repaired. Probably grab some more arrows.
I have a egg.
You know, it's been a while since I've checked eggs.
Okay. You have an egg over here.
Do I? What do I got?
Ah,
Wait, that's my bark? Oh, I should come check this one out.
I'm watching.
All right, hold on. I gotta disassemble. All right. Oh, I'm also encumbered with what? Wood. Wood? Really? Wood? Hold on. Here, take this wood. Take half this wood. All right. Let's see what I get. I hope it's a Suzuki. It's a Suzuki.
Nice. I'm gonna put another egg in there.
Oh, you're stealing my thing?
It's the fire one.
It is.
Just a little cold. That's it.
Oh, and he's a diet lover? Does that mean he doesn't eat a lot? Decrease hunger is less likely. Decreasing hunger is less likely. But he still eats a shit ton. That doesn't make sense.
Decrease in hunger is less.
Oh,
It's the same thing as.
look at how pretty he is.
Hold on. Trying to remember the buttons.
It's, it's actually a she. But and he just gained 4 levels instantaneously upon spawning him in here. He just gained a 5th level.
Oh, the scorching hand's gonna take 5 minutes.
Yeah, the level 1 eggs are. Alright, but anyway.
So this thing? This red thing?
Yeah. The
What'd you
Suzaku.
name? Zoku? Zuko? Zuko.
Suzuki.
Zuko?
He could be named Zuko. I can't.
His head is stuck in the wall.
Yeah, he's being dumb.
Did he upload?
Yeah.
Upload.
Come here. Come here. Come here. I need to. There we go. Alright. His name is not. Oh, he disappeared. I don't know where he went. There he is. Quit trying to ignite that thing. Alright. I'm level 24. You're level 15. You can fly now.
Wait. Can I?
Yeah, you can fly on the Nightwing.
Make sure. Yes, I can.
Yes, you can ride the Nightwing. So, we should go somewhere.
Okay.
Not sure where.
Now, remember, I have a lot of limitations on where I can fast travel to.
That's true. Maybe we should open up some fast travel stations. Actually, I was thinking we should probably explore more towards like Starter Island and go fly around there and just kill all stuff near there.
All the little babies.
Yeah. So, can you see the level 38 Mammorest over by where like Spawn Island would be? Plateau Beginnings. There, I'll just fast travel there and then you can get close to me.
Okay. The plateau of beginnings. There you go. There's the. Okay. Okay. Nope. I get ya.
Yeah, so I went to that one outside of there.
I get what you're throwing down.
Man, he's still got so much up. Did you grab arrows and stuff before you left?
I got 122 arrows. Let's do the big metal armor. I don't have any food. Food in the fridge. The cat fridge. Nope, that's just flour. Nope. Yeah, I'm good. We're good.
You're good.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Not there. I'm out of points. Oh well.
You came back.
I did. You remember that wood I picked up earlier? I was totally still
You
carrying
still
that.
had it.
Yeah. Yep.
I am also. So.
Yeah.
Coal? I don't need coal.
Yeah.
Wait, where are they? Oh, I found 2 high quality cloths. That was a thing.
I can't remember if I have all of the first 10 crevices or not. Probably not, because I only have 1 crevice.
Oh,
Oh, the crevice.
Yeah, I've captured a whole 2 crevices.
Wah.
So yeah, I think we just run around, and I've got plenty of blue balls.
That's not.
No,
I don't know. Is that a good joke?
why am I running? That was a bad joke. It was
You got plenty of blue balls.
got so many blue balls. You don't even know.
Sorry, not sorry.
Did that really miss?
Wah. Oh.
Are we going that direction?
I'm just kind of running around. I know I've got the chickens.
The complete opposite way that we were going to go.
What do you mean that was the opposite way?
You said we were going to go to the beginner island.
Well, yeah, there's the beginner island, and then there's like the stuff
Yeah.
around beginner island. You don't need beginner stuff.
Hey, that's what you said.
I just meant like over on this island, and not the islands that are probably a little bit too overdeveloped for us. That died.
It's a landmass,
Yeah.
not an island.
I mean, technically, America's on an island, so
Oh, I don't think so. There's a definition for an island, and I don't know what it
that died. Man, I haven't captured crap with starter Pokemon or starter pals.
is. Make sure we got some regular balls.
Yeah.
So, does my name, when you're looking at it, ever show up as a different language?
Not that I've seen.
Sometimes your name, Hala.
Uh-huh.
Wait, but I said that.
Yeah. Hala's your clan name.
That's true.
I'm in your clan. My name is Protec.
Sometimes the Hala part shows up in a different language. Okay.
Wah.
So the arrow shoots so much better than the ball.
Yeah.
That really miss?
Ah, goodness. Ouch.
Is that RJ? Always like RJs.
I hit you with that. Stupid. Oh, defended it off. Hey,
I stole it.
that was,
Hey, I need those.
huh,
What happened?
nothing.
Did you capture that cat?
It's like putting down a bed and then someone else convincing you to jump off a rock and you flip.
Hey, you remember that time I asked you, your friend asked you to jump off a cliff and then you almost died?
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I just said. Quit taking my fucking joke.
Well, I mean, finish your joke, and then I won't take it.
How'd you let me talk? I can finish my
let's
joke.
Did we kill this boss already?
Oh no.
Did we go in this cavern already? We've been in here. What's up, Nightwing? It just went through him? There we go. Come get some. Why would you drop down? You're a flying cow.
Yeah.
Get puffer.
Oh, I do have the small bow on me.
Free. Puff.
Yeah.
So yeah, pretty much this whole episode is just gonna be us running around, catching stuff. Hopefully it's not too boring, and we run into some jumps. Hey, there's a Swee in here.
No, it's mine.
Okay, you can have it.
Yup.
I don't know what a sweet is, but it's mine.
I don't think it was.
I got here first.
Oh,
Did you? Because I was here and you didn't notice it.
Means you weren't here.
Yeah, 'cause you didn't notice it. So
Oh, then
technically it's-
you weren't here.
okay.
What's a sweet?
It's an ice type.
Oh, I can't look at it.
hmm. Wow.
Wow. Good aim.
Wow.
Oh, damn. Ow. Right in the middle of that.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, rude. Oh, that's your dog. I shot your dog. Hey,
Listen,
I got a question for you. I got a question. Can I pet that dog?
Put that down. Put that down.
Alright. I'm moving on.
Stop shitting on me. Thank you.
Ooh, there's. I think that's a large common egg. No, just a common egg. Lame.
Listen, man. Somebody's got to run the grocery store.
What?
Our essential workers.
The common eggs?
I don't know. Yeah.
Alright, so this area has nothing to it. You have this fast travel up here on the right, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go up towards Elphidron and the Petelia. Which I think you have the one up by the Petelia. But I haven't even been over to the right. So let's play the game of follow me.
Straight north. Basically.
I mean, yeah, pretty much. Why don't you try knowing directions?
Well, look at the map. I don't know directions.
It's true. Oh no.
Okay.
I don't. Oh no.
Yeah.
I didn't bring my Nightwing, so I can't fly. Wait, did I make a Velworm saddle?
Oh,
That's hell to her.
yeah.
Oh, yes.
Damn
I made
it.
the Velworm saddle.
I was kind of hoping I could be like, bye.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, no, fuck.
I'm awesome, right? I'm just the best.
Uh,
I don't know. Sucking.
controller's easy. Control.
Hit. Hit. Hot.
Crossbow schematic.
Hot.
Uh,
Hot.
You wanna fight Free Pal
anybody? Oh, there he was.
Alliance?
I sent him flying.
No,
What's that?
can't do it by myself.
All right. We have. Where are you? Where did you go?
I went and hid.
From what?
Oh, there's a big egg over there.
Oh, you're way over there. So
I
there's
went the same direction.
there's like a dragonite.
I got a huge egg.
Oh, you got a huge egg?
I did get a huge one.
That's pretty tight. What kind of egg is it? Is it a common?
No. Oh, a rare.
A what?
Pink and a rare. It's got pink and black stripes.
It just says rare.
It just says huge dragon egg is a rare. Okay, calm down.
Yeah.
I think I caught her on fire. Which wasn't even. There's like another one. Just like glitched out. Wow! Ow! Rude. Can I actually get you in there? Capture.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can capture it.
Yeah.
Don't really
Wow.
about
Hmm.
that tornado.
You died. So you were
Oh.
what was I doing? Oh god.
Wow.
Are you near me? On 6 feet?
Oh. Wow. Yeah.
What is it with this symbol? How did that miss?
See an angry bird. Nope, more Free Pal Alliance.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Oh no!
Oh, fuck. Oh god. Better go back. Back here.
Yeah.
one of those. The other capture that I had was current technology points 12. Alright, so I've been meaning to make this metal spear for a long time because I haven't made it, and I think I need to. I don't think there's any point in that now that I have a flyer, which, let's see, I can see a little bit because when your flyer dies, pain in the ass. Like right now, because my flyer's dead.
Okay, good, because my flare's dead too.
Oh no.
Wait.
The Azarobe saddle. That's pretty cool. But I'll be able to craft a makeshift handgun. I do have a handgun blueprint.
Hey, what you doing?
Are you okay?
No,
What happened?
I went down.
Oh, how close are you?
I don't know.
You are. Yeah. You remember it doesn't show me where you are when you're down.
Oh.
You gotta describe it.
I. Nope.
No.
Nope.
Why'd you die?
I just caught up something to Gale. Or just caught up. I can't look at my map.
Oh,
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know where you are. What? I caught a Floppy.
A floppy?
A Floppy. This dude's over here eating bodies. I'm gonna need one of you. Oh, hey. Get mad because I aimed at him?
Oh, that's a minute.
Man, it'd be really nice to pull out some of the pals right now, but like they're just gonna end up killing me.
yeah.
See?
Oh,
They're killing
Come here.
everything.
Grab you another fire item?
We can't trade pals since we're like out.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Hey, I can see where you are now.
Well, I'm at the house now.
Yeah. What is that? A Toco Toco?
Topo Chico?
Topo Toco? Topo Chico?
Topo Chico?
Ah, it's a Robin Quill. Some moth. What do you need to do?
You know what I do need to do?
oh,
More in
yeah. Oh,
I haven't caught one of these fat boys either. I think so. Alright, so that's a 28. I think we should be able to... Yeah.
Yeah.
clean.
Don't hurt him that much.
yeah.
Back in. Hey. solidness.
I got a flam bell. The egg.
Ouch.
Oh. Yeah.
Spots. Oh, never mind.
Any spots for what?
I was gonna say I'm up close. But not. So I don't die on my adventure back.
Caught him. Cinema.
Have you
Oops.
been upping your attack?
My attack or my capture rate? Oh, on my, like on my main?
What?
Yeah. So I've basically been putting everything into his three stats except for his work speed.
No, I meant you when you level up and you push the enhanced stats thing.
No. So the attack, like, as cool as it sounds to upgrade your attack, you're, like, when you get into fights and stuff, you're basically not doing any damage. The pals are doing the damage. So I've left my attack at 100. I've been focusing on my health and my weight. So my health is 2450. And I have a bonus for my armor on that. But I think like I put 16 points into health, 3 points into stamina, and 4 points into weight, and that's it. I haven't done work speed or attack at all.
Okay. I've done mostly health and stamina. Done a couple attacks. Hate it.
Yeah, my thing is like,
What?
for the most part, I'm not doing much fighting except at the very end. Well, you died quickly.
What the? I just. Oh my goodness. I'm. Excuse me while I panic a little bit.
You get messed up.
Hold on. I immediately started that. Big boy.
Fighting two bristles, they are just beat.
I got a Hell's Spear?
Oh, you got a hell spear?
Yeah.
They're tight. Yeah.
Immediately responded. Fuck you. Get out of here.
A little louder.
Okay.
Pretty quiet.
Oh god, he's on me again. Run.
What? Yeah.
I'm coming to you. Loaded past you is where I died.
Need both of those, but I don't think we're gonna try fighting them at the same. We'll focus on this guy. We'll reload first, then we'll focus on this.
Come here, Peta. Robin.
I don't know what else is fighting this right now. I'm down. Why is the Gale Claw fighting Cinnamon? I'm down. So I also want to
Yeah.
Gale Claw.
Oh.
Nice, got the Gale Claw. There's the Cinnamoth. Cinnamoths, because they're good.
Yep.
Oh, so if you dodge while you're ADSing, or like just out of ADS, that's when you do
Like the flip?
the yeah. Oh, I died. Holy shit.
Can I come to you?
I don't know. How close were you?
Pretty close.
Okay. Well, come find me. I was fighting the Cinnamoths. I'm at the edge of the cliff.
Are you at the bottom or? The top?
You are to my west. So hey, if you head straight east across the river, go across the river now. Go across. Nope. Come back a little bit to your right. Yep. Go that way. There's also a shiny over here somewhere.
I hear it.
Yep. Up the hill a little bit. Nope. To your left. Straight that way. Yeah.
Oh, I see you. How do you see me?
I can see your name.
Oh, because I was close enough?
I mean, I saw you when you were across the river. Could you see my name when...
Mm-mm.
Alright, so we are catching this. We are not going to upset that Catrus. But I'm going to throw this guy out because that's a grass type.
Yeah.
'Cause that's a level 34 Robin Quest.
What?
So we're going to need all of the firepower that we can get.
Oh, I still haven't gotten my backpack. I have nothing except
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
on a flyer.
No, you go get your gun. You're back.
Oh,
Oh.
Firefly. Lots of go. I didn't bring any hyper spheres. This lacks
maybe I can go get my.
It's gonna be a long fight.
Try to go get my stuff. Come back.
Yeah, go get your stuff.
Not that far.
Yeah. Wow.
Try to drag. Okay. Can you hurry back?
Come here. Come here.
Oh.
What do you want me to do?
Just anything you can.
To fight him?
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm at 98 health. Okay, he's dead. That's all I got. And the cat is joining the fight, but I think he's joining the fight on our side. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, he's fighting the Katniss right now. Killed the Katniss.
Nope. The Katniss is attacking us.
Just try to drag the Katniss over to
I went
Robin
down.
to him.
I went down. So never mind.
Oh, you're dead?
Yep. I died.
Oh, so did I. Alright, well.
Think it'll be gone?
I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna grab a new team, repair my armor, or grab a new team, and head right back.
Dude.
I don't know if I grabbed anything to ride on. I didn't. Yeah.
Oh, my stuff's right there. Okay. Oh,
Is he still there?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
Hot.
There's guys with guns on me.
I don't think he's here.
There's guys with guns on you too.
I lost him. There's a couple of floppy boys, but nobody's shiny.
That's too bad. Hey, if you guys could fuck off. Thanks. The guys that were chasing you just like gave up chasing you and ran past
Oh,
me.
you... Right behind me?
Yeah. Is this your stuff over here? Hey, that's my stuff.
Okay.
Get out of my stuff.
Calm your shit.
Is that not him up the hill? No, it's not.
No, he's not shiny. They're pretty big, though.
Wait, is this me? Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
just put on my cold leather armor because my metal armor's wrecked. You got any high quality pal oil yet?
No.
I don't even know where to actually get it from.
I don't know what it looks like.
It's like a yellowish jar of stuff. Alright,
Forget
well,
to eat.
I'm gonna go home, repair my armor. Sucks that we lost that, but looks like there is one just off to my left, probably on top of this hill.
Fast travel?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yoish. Hip. What?
Nice.
Yeah. Yoish.
This is my rock.
Yeah.
Beat you to the top. Look, an egg.
Yep. Nope.
Hip. What? Hip.
Wait.
What?
How do we get up there?
I'm getting up there right now.
Not successfully.
What are you talking about? I'm up here.
You can't make that one.
I just made it.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm a professional.
Professional what?
Professional dick.
Yoish.
Can I be a professional dick?
No, I can give you some professional dick.
Okay, help me come up the mountain.
Use your grappling hook.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I forgot about that.
I probably should have used it too, but it wasn't in my inventory, so I didn't think about it.
I don't actually know how to use this.
You just point at what you're trying to go to. Oh god, fast travel. There's a turd trying to shoot at me while I was standing at the fast travel station. Alright, hope you boys have been doing good. What you been doing over here? Hell yeah. Another 139. Thanks, dogs. I don't know where you're getting wool from. Everyone healthy here? Good condition, short break. How come you guys can stay healthy just endlessly? In the other base, I'm always having problems. You guys just mine away, do your thing. Ugh. Other base. Oh, I'm unhealthy. Oh, I'm sad. Shut up. Get back to work.
What's the common denominator?
They're doing more at this base than they are at the other one.
That's not a common denominator.
I'm not there as much.
You. You are.
You trying to say it's because I drive them too hard?
You micromanager.
About to micromanage your base.
To do what?
I don't know. Whatever I wanted to. Alright, let's go.
And now you smile, and now you frown, and now you smile.
There's that. Put that back on.
I'm getting distracted, and I'm going to die.
What are you getting
Oh, God.
distracted by?
Just laughing at my own jokes.
Are you
Oh,
still
God.
laughing at your jokes?
Yes, I am.
They weren't even that funny.
My dog died, and I'm stuck.
Because of your stupid, shitty jokes, you die.
I got a silver key.
Alright, eggs. That doesn't go in there. More eggs.
Okay, got a flyer. Okay, dog's dead. We're good.
Eggs.
Fly away.
Ground stuff. That came out of the ground. That came out of the ground.
Yeah.
That came from an
Get
animal.
poop ball out of here.
Those. Nope. That came from the ground. Ground.
Good. I'll just go over there.
Animal. Animal. That's an egg. Listen, we got too many eggs. I'm about to build 10 more of these egg hatching incubators.
got too many eggs.
Here. Alright, so that whole time, we managed to get one more high-quality paladin. I need 30 just to craft this handgun schematic.
Well, when you don't know how to get them, how do you get them?
I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just killing, like, decent quality pals, but...
What are we attacking? God damn it. Oh, mother.
Are you dead again?
Yes.
Why are you dead? What are you fighting? What are you doing? Where are you?
Fighting a robin quill and it killed me.
Yeah, they're pretty tough.
I'm not even trying. My stupid bird started it. Look, bitch, you got an attitude that I can't deal with.
Your bird started it?
Yeah.
Is he set too aggressive? Or is his, like, perk? His,
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't think it's that expensive. But I am right next to a travel station, so it's okay. Also, I gotta go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay. You have a good visit to the restaurant.
Is the pee-pee room?
So I need that one. I need that one. These are my mounts. This one's my actual fighter. He's good. I need to keep him on me. And I'm gonna level him up. It's cool. But else we run around with like 3 flyers. So it's gonna be him. And this was a death. We've ridden as flying mount as dark players attack. I build the Helsifer mount. If I can build the Helsifer, I'll get rid of pieces. Damage player deals to enemy weakness. Motivational leader. Actually, okay. Is that for just having him in the party? 'Cause that's pretty baller. And lucky, work speed, attack, and 10% bonus. So altogether, he's like a 10% boost to player attack. Depends on how they scale it. If they scale it like a lot of other games do. Basically, it takes it off of your base, and it's not like stacking, so it's not like a 25% attack speed. Or 25%, I guess, work speed, player attack. I think he's definitely the way to go. He's been faithful this whole time. I need to keep leveling him up. But yeah, that ought to be my team for this go around. We'll get all these guys up to 26. And I think we're almost level sync. Yeah, we are. Cool. And hey, look, she's new. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You got such a weird looking skin. Purple ass bitch. Is she taller than me? She's taller than me. Beat her up.
Yep.
Crouch. Crouch. Oh, there.
Excuse you.
Need that booty. That booty.
No, you're just stabbing me with
Fire
the
again.
crossbow.
Azrael, what are you doing? There ain't nothing for you to water? You can't carry nothing? Lazy son of a bitch. That's at 1. That's at 102.
Am I here? I'm stuck.
4. Alright, I'm keeping up with that. Yep, berries are cooking, wheat's cooking.
Gotta go get my stuff.
Screw that. We don't have to do more.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
What happened? Are you dying already?
Yes, or kind of. Not really.
You just left.
I
You left like
Okay.
3 seconds ago.
immediately got attacked.
I can't help you there.
Yeah,
Don't tell
No,
me
you
where you're
can't.
going. I can't help you.
you can, because you can see me.
Nope, can't do it.
Get me! Quit fighting and come get me! Thank you.
Okay,
Here
so
we go.
this thumb baton sucks.
Thanks
Not
for...
enough.
You butt? You, not the bird.
Me?
Yeah,
Why?
couldn't come get me, but you didn't try.
I would have to leave base. I just got here. I'm not even unloaded yet. What do I look like? You're Krypton? What's the song?
Yeah, whatever it is, yes.
I can be your hero, baby.
Yeah, you're my hero, baby.
No, get out of my life.
No.
Alright. So, we got... Holy shit, 82 arrows left? I really need to make this gun. I gotta make this gun. Because the musket, it sucks. This thing, it's trash. This, I'm guessing, is gonna be trash. But I can make it right now. Alright, so if I make this gun, if it hits, then I can just, like, make the better version of it. Either in a couple levels, when I figure out how to get more... Yeah. I'm gonna follow the game. I don't have enough high-quality oil to make the good one. It's gonna take me too long. I'm trying to fight too much shit. So we're gonna start with this. And then... Can I make ammo for it yet? That's the other thing. It's like, yeah, I can make a gun. Can I make the ammo for it? What ammo is it? As far as course ammo. Can I make course ammo? I think I can make course ammo. I can. 1 ingot, 3 for 1 gunpowder. So I can make a whole 30 ammo for it. And I probably got 60 over here. Course ammo 7. So I got 100 rounds of course ammo. 1 shitty pistol. Totally worth it. Alright, so we're gonna make that. And that's what we'll come back to next time around. Alright.